Exercise 5.3, question number 4. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips, one number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of? So we have 4 problems here. To solve this problem, suppose we have 10 separate slips like this. On each slip, one number is written like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 like this. If all these slips are kept in a box and mixed well, and then one slip is chosen at random. At random means here we are given without looking into it. So at random. If we pick up one slip from the box, then we may get 1, we may get 2 or 3, 4, 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. Okay. So what are the possible outcomes? Possible outcomes will be possible outcomes. What are the possible outcomes? We may get 1, we may get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of these 10, we can get any one. Therefore, total number of outcomes equal to how many outcomes we have? 10. We may get any one out of these 10. So the total number of possible outcomes will be 10. Now see the first question. Getting a number 6. So probability of getting a number 6. Out of these 10 slips, how many of the slips are contained 6 on them? Just only 1. This is the only possibility. So therefore, number of favorable outcomes will be just 1. So therefore, probability equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes, that is equal to number of favorable outcomes means just 1. Only one slip contains 6 on that. So number of favorable outcomes will be 1 divided by total number of outcomes is 10. So the answer is 1 by 10 for the first one. Now for the second one. Getting a number less than 6. Getting a number less than 6, that is the second one. What are the numbers we have less than 6? Numbers less than 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore probability equal to number of favorable outcomes means there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 divided by total number of outcomes is 10. So 10. This is equal to 1 by 2. Next, third one. Getting a number greater than 6. Numbers greater than 6. What are the numbers we have greater than 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. So therefore, probability equal to how many numbers which are greater than 6? We have 4. So 4 by total number of outcomes is 10. So this is equal to, we can cross out, this is equal to 2 by 5. Next, fourth problem. Getting a one digit number. One digit numbers. One digit numbers. How many one digit numbers are there? Actually, except 10, all the remaining are one digit numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these are one digit numbers. So therefore probability equal to, there are 9 one digit numbers and divided by total number of outcomes will be 10. So 9 by 10 is the probability in this case. Exercise 5.3, fifth problem. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Let us draw a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors and 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. Now on the screen, you can see a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. Total number of sectors. Sectors equal to how many? We have 5. Out of these, 3 is green, 1 is blue and 1 is red. Now let us take the first problem. What is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a green sector? So probability of green equal to number of favorable outcomes, or we can say number of green sectors divided by total number of sectors, or we can say total number of outcomes also. This is equal to number of green sectors 3 divided by total number of sectors 5. So the probability of getting green sector is 3 by 5. Now let us go to the second problem. What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? So how many non-blue sectors are there? We have one blue sector. The remaining 4 are non-blue sectors. So probability of non-green, non-blue, probability of non-blue equal to number of sectors other than blue color, number of non-blue sectors divided by total number of sectors. So that is equal to number of non-blue sectors we have 4 divided by total number of sectors 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer. Exercise 5.3, sixth problem. Find the probabilities of the events given in question number 2. This is what we have in question number 2. You see here, this is question number 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting. So here in this one, we need to find out the probability. Find the probabilities. So first, here when a die is thrown, first let us write the outcomes when a die is thrown. When a die is thrown, then the outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes. So therefore, total number of outcomes equal to how many we have? 6. Now let us take the first problem, A. Probability of getting a prime number. So out of these 6, how many prime numbers are there? 2, 3, 5. That means we have 3 prime numbers. So probability in this case equal to, we have how many prime numbers? 3. So divided by total number of outcomes is 6. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Now B. Probability of getting not a prime number. Out of these 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers. The remaining numbers are 1, 4, 6. So these are the non-prime numbers. We have how many? 3 non-prime numbers. So therefore probability equal to, how many non-prime numbers are here? We have 3. So 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next let us take the second problem. A number greater than 5. What are the numbers greater than 5? We have only one number, that is 6. So the probability equal to number of favorable outcomes, that is 1, divided by total number of outcomes 6. So probability equal to 1 by 6. This is second A. Next second B. A number not greater than 5. Not greater than 5 means, what is the number which is greater than 5? That is 6. So the remaining numbers, all the remaining numbers, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the numbers which are not greater than 5. So numbers not greater than 5 equal to, what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have any confusion about this 5, let me ask you a question. 5, is it greater than 5? No, it is not greater than 5. 5 is equal to 5. So we need to take this into consideration. So therefore, probability equal to number of favorable outcomes. How many favorable outcomes are here? 5. Divided by total number of outcomes, that is equal to 6. So the probability equal to 5 by 6.